Hello loves and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Caitlin O'Friel, a full-time actress here in New York City with a love for home decor, DIYs, and anything vintage. When the pandemic took over and the world hit rock bottom, I tried to turn any and everything into a celebration. You name it.
Whether it was pretending to be in Italy surrounded by lemons, or creating a mini flower wall with Ling's moment. And even throwing an at-home wedding event with my best friend. Facing my flamingo fears with a luau-themed backdrop. And celebrating my favorite director's birthday, Alfred Hitchcock, with decorations that represent his films. An homage to the silent era of old Hollywood with a Dracula short film. To getting spooky for Halloween with all the creepy vibes. Like I said, I found any and every reason to decorate and celebrate.
And all the holidays.
To getting warm and cozy for the autumn season and to celebrate Thanksgiving. To red and green on a blue Christmas. I learned to truly appreciate and enjoy all the small things in life. And I won't take for granted the little things ever again. I don't think I could see the big picture without the tiny details. They mean so much to me now. And I realize the more you celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And trying to find that dear old leprechaun in my apartment. To Easter and spring decor.
And let's not forget about the lost tapes. There was Valentine's Day, Space Jam. Oh yeah, and my full Easter Decor Tour. There's so many. Now that New York City is reopening, I don't want to close that chapter of celebrations just yet. I want to keep on celebrating all the silly little things. I want to keep on making art and sharing with you guys. So I thought, what better way to do that than to finally give my YouTube channel a schedule. So 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday, I will be sharing a new YouTube video. So I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my DIY community. It would mean so much to me. I have so many ideas always running through my brain, and I'm just so grateful to have a platform where I can share it and hopefully inspire people who inspire me. So if you want to join and you want to be a part of my little DIY community, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And here are some scenes for my next video.